The old typewriter sat abandoned in the attic, its keys rusted and flecked with something dark and sticky. I found it while cleaning, drawn by a strange compulsion despite the unease crawling up my spine. Tentatively, I pressed a key. The letter clacked sharply, echoing through the dusty silence. A sudden chill swept the room. I typed, "It was a stormy night." Thunder boomed outside, though the forecast had promised clear skies. Another sentence, a shadow moved in the corner. My lamp flickered violently, and in its dim glow, I glimpsed a shape at the edge of my vision, darker than the night itself, seeping into reality like ink bleeding on paper. Heart pounding, I tried to stop, but my hands moved against my will, typing frantic lines. With each word, the shadow grew, swelling and pulsing, its form twisting into something almost human, but grotesquely wrong. It crept closer, leaving crimson stains blooming on the floorboards in its wake. I screamed, but the attic swallowed my voice whole. The final words forced themselves from my trembling fingers. "It stands behind me." Cold breath grazed my neck. The typewriter fell silent as the shadow wrapped around me, dragging me into darkness. Now, the keys wait patiently for the next curious soul to awaken the horror once more.